not on the recent ones. I remember.
I think like the last couple chapters. I don't know if I have.
Yeah, because the last couple chapters I tried them online and they weren't there.
Oh, right.
So, it's like, oh crap.
Okay, so this one will be, the other ones are loaded, so yeah, okay. Yeah, so how do we find a final velocity thing? Think about this, turn this 90 degrees, and think of it falling. How would you do that? Well, yeah, you could go back to 2 and try to or 4, whatever, and calculate acceleration and all this other junk. Or you could just use, I would say result of force, I would say use energies. Because I know that the potential energy, let's just do this way. I like Daniela's thing. We know that the force on this thing is going to be EQ, right? Okay, EQ. So we know Q, and the electric field is here. Do we know the electric field? Yes, cool. We know the electric is 150 newtons per coulomb. And then that is going to equal A. So then A is going to equal to EQ over M. So we do that, this whole chapter 2 business, and we know X is equal to V plus 1/2 AT squared. Is that right? No, that's not what we're looking for, genius. Sorry. We should have used this. VF is VA. Nope, that's not it either. Sorry, it's been a while. There we go. X. Only took me a little while for me to catch up to you guys, so that's good. So of course that's just going to be the square root of 2, and then that of course is just the square root of 2 E Q D over M. Plug all that stuff in and you get an answer. And then for the other one, obviously the easiest way to do that, use, well, I mean you kind of have to do this. X equals V0t plus 1/2 AT squared. V0 was 0 equal the square root of 2D over A. And since A was that, 2dm over EQ. So those, if we plug in the values, we'll get the answers. I'll put it on here just in case. For an electron, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 9. That is the charge of an electron. Well, actually, it's the charge of a proton, too. 1.6 times 10 to the minus 9. 19, except it's negative. Negative 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. All right, plug that in. And